Welcome to the histopathology lab workflow, where patient tissue is turned into microscope slides for accurate diagnosis by a pathologist. First, the specimen is received. Staff verify patient identifiers, specimen site, and request form details, and check that labeling matches perfectly. Next is accessioning. The case is registered in the lab system and assigned a unique number used on all cassettes and slides. Then comes fixation. Most samples are placed in 10% neutral buffered formalin to preserve tissue structure and prevent breakdown. After fixation, the specimen is grossed. The tissue is examined with the naked eye, measured, and described in a standardized format. Important areas are selected for testing. Margins may be inked, and representative pieces are placed into correctly labeled tissue cassettes. If the tissue is very hard, such as bone, decalcification may be required. Urgent cases may need a frozen section during surgery. The cassettes go to tissue processing. Water is removed with alcohol. Alcohol is replaced with a clearing agent. Then paraffin wax infiltrates. Next is embedding. Each tissue piece is oriented correctly in molten paraffin, then cooled to form a solid paraffin block. In microtomy, thin sections are cut from the block, typically 3 to 5 micrometers, using a precision instrument called a microtome. The sections are floated on a warm water bath. They are then placed onto labeled glass slides and dried to ensure proper adhesion. Routine staining is hematoxylin and eosin, or H&E. This reveals overall tissue architecture and cellular detail. When needed, special stains or immunohistochemistry are added to identify organisms, tissue components, or tumor markers using proper controls. Finally, slides are cover-slipped and reviewed by the pathologist. A report is issued, and slides and blocks are archived for future reference.